here with Scott Pratt today, owner of Residential Renovations. And Scott is working on a project, No Roof Left Behind, and he's putting a roof on this home for the Hernandez family at no cost. Scott, what made you decide to provide this service to the community today?
Well, I think one of the things as a home remodeling company, it's important that if we can give back, to give back as we can. And we're very fortunate to be able to help out a couple and their son with a roof today with the No Roof Left Behind program.
Very nice. Why do you feel this is a good service to provide?
Well, one of the things is that, this was a nomination that they nominated, people nominated for these people because of their need of their new roof. So I think it's a great opportunity for people that they are in need and not able to get what they need, and it's their home's the largest expense that they have, and then they can't afford to put a roof on it. So yeah, I think it's really important to get the community involved in it.
And perfect timing because we all know winter's coming.
Absolutely, winter's coming.
Can you tell us about No Roof Left Behind giveaway?
Well, No Roof Left Behind is a program that's set up that people are nominating people that have some type of a need, and we promote it all year at all of our events. And then what happens is that as we get to the end, 4 people get nominated, and out of those 4 people, then they try to get more votes, so they get elected to get the new roof.
Very good. Well, good job on the roof.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much, Scott.
Thank you, Better Business Bureau.
Oh, you're welcome.